Hi guys, I'm gonna show you a small video. Now this is about a problem when your power windows does not roll up and you're in a big difficulty. You cannot call a mechanic. You're at a wrong time, means you cannot call for help. So this is something which you can do on your own. So what you need to do is you need to open the door plastic panel of your Volkswagen Vento, and then you have to take this motor out. So you can see there are few screws. There is one, and there is one. Okay. So what you need to do is you need to take all these screws apart, and then you need to take this out. Now you'll find this is a motor which rotates this particular wheel. You see that? Now you need to take the help of the screwdriver which comes up along with this, and you need to drive it here, and you need to roll it up. If you roll it up, it will go up, and if you roll it anti-clockwise, it will go down. Okay, this is what you have to do in case if you're stuck somewhere and you do not have any help. So you cannot park your vehicle outside anywhere without rolling your windows up. Okay, so this is what you need to do. After that, you just need to fix this motor back at the same place where you had it earlier. Okay, and then you need to screw it up back again like this. So somehow right now I'm able to roll my windows up. Okay, so we'll just screw them up again, and that's it. After that, you can close the plastic panel. Okay, so I'm just closing it, and I'll show you how to close the plastic panel as well. After that, you can just simply close the door panel like this. So there are few screws. You just need to take this off if you want to take the panel off, and then you have to, there is one screw inside it, and there is one screw at the bottom here. Okay, you need to take this off.